Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to be bringing you my part 2 for my home tour, where I will be sharing with you my upstairs decor, my basement decor, and I also wanted to take you along and share with you what the rest of the house looks like with all the lights on and all the twinkling pretty things that are lit up. If you have missed my first home tour where I shared my main floor and my front porch, make sure you head on over to the description box and the little corner. I will link it in both places. So without further ado, let's get started.
So I am starting upstairs in my master bedroom, where I have decorated the room in more of a cottage, cozy cottage style look. I was really pleased with the way this room turned out. I have full details of where everything came from and the fiasco that I had with my tree in the video that I was specifically for Decorate With Me master bedroom, so you can head on over and check that out if you're curious where things have come from. Like I said, I love the way this turned out. It turned out very cozy and very simple. I want to say I didn't include too much decor, just not to overwhelm it, because I wanted to keep it cozy.
The first Noel.
I like to keep a blanket over top of my duvet for two reasons. I do love the way that look. I think it adds to that cozy cottage feel, but I also am protecting it from the two dogs that I have that like to sometimes sit on top of my bed and watch what I'm doing.
Their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 Noel. Born is the King of Israel.
I also wanted to include what it looks like with lights on the tree and on my fireplace with the lights on, and then I'm also going to share what it looks like with the lights off. I just think it's an extra level of coziness.
Shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth it gave great light, and so it continued both days.
Moving on from my master bedroom, we are going to go into the hallway where I have a tree that I did not share with you in the previous home tour, and this is my little Disney nook where I have my Disney shelf with all the Disney memorabilia and pictures. And so I thought it was appropriate to have a Disney tree in this corner where all the ornaments came from the parks, or I had DIY'd some of them just to fill in, because this tree is a work in progress, and I just want to add the ornaments that we pick up from our trips, like cruise and the parks. So, but I haven't been in like 2 years, so I was hoping I would have had a lot more on here, but so I had DIY'd a couple of them just to fill it in. This is the only tree that has multicolored lights on it. I just think that they look really good on this tree. Now, before we head on all the way to the basement, I wanted to give you a little tour of my main floor with all the lights on. I just think it looks so cozy with the fireplaces on and all the lights on the trees on. I absolutely love the way this flock tree looks with the lights on. I just think it looks absolutely stunning. And the whole house is very cozy. I think it's great for, Christmas movie time at night when you can turn off all the lights and just enjoy the twinkling of the Christmas lights everywhere. I did not get around to adding a Christmas tree onto my deck, but don't you guys think that right there where you can see the deck, if I had just a nice real Christmas tree with some multicolored lights, I think that would look so good looking at it from the inside. Maybe next year. What do you guys think? We are heading down to the basement where I have my rec room where the kids spend most of their time in with their friends. So I thought this would be fun to just make it kind of a Candyland-ish elf type of space for them, and trying to make these couches as cozy as possible. I just love the way this tree turned out. This is a new tree for my space. It's not a new tree to me, it's just the first time I have decorated it for the basement. So all these ornaments were new, and I think I'm going to be moving the upstairs bedroom from my bedroom tree down here for next time, because that tree can be multicolored lights as well, and I thought maybe the multicolored lights would look good on this tree. I'm also going to share a little bit of decor in my office that I did because it's adjacent to this room. And then I'm also going to share with you how this space looks at night. I did want to add a little bit of a Christmas decor into my office. I do a lot of sit down type of videos for my lifestyle channel, so I thought having a background that is decorated would look really pretty. I also decorated the sofa table here with a tier tray and a couple pictures, and I think this looks so cute. I tried to tie in all the decor from the other room into this tier tray. And then I also decorated my table. This is my thumbnail creator table, but I'm just about done creating all the DIYs that I need this table for, so I thought I decorated with just a couple things that I had left over, as well as this shelf, and I think it turned out really cute and simple. I have this little tree that I just put on some multicolored lights on, and I think that's enough for this space. Maybe I'll get a bigger one, but for now it is just this small one. And here it is in the evening. And I love turning on my fireplaces on with just the ambiance, not the heat coming through at this time of the year. I just think it adds that extra cozy touch to the room. And all of these candles are battery operated. That way I don't have to worry about kids forgetting to blow them out if that's what if they want to turn them on.
Well, I hope you have enjoyed this home tour and the one before if you had watched it. Let me know what you thought. If this is your first time stopping by, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. I still have 2 more videos for this year to share with you. The last one I think is pretty special, so make sure that bell is on so you don't miss it. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.